Hi everyone, today I will show you how to turn any text or story into a video. It's completely free just using Mootion AI. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google or your browser and just search for Mootion AI. This one, Mootions with double O. And then just click the page. And then just sign up for a free account. You can use your Google account for quick sign up. And then for the new accounts, we'll get 200 free credits, but in my case, I have already used mine for a project, so my balance is lower like this. Next, to create a project, you can type your idea or script directly into this bar or input bar. Or first, you can select the type or style of your project that you want. For example, you can choose social media, kids, education, drama, and many more. And then just choose your style in here. Next, once you enter your idea, Mootion AI will take you a chat style interface like this, like my project before. You will be taken to this chat page like this. Like before, I write questions like this, and then the Mootion AI will analyze it and automatically create a storyboard with a chat style interface like this, like you are talking to a full film crew like this. You will see a director bubble like this that breaks down your idea and asks about the concept and then targets audience and then language and then aspect ratio, visual styles and many more. And in this part, Motions AI actually will give you options that you can choose. But just take note, you can only set this one at the start so they can be changed later. And then you will see screenwriter bubble that works on your script. Is talk about your script of your video like this. And then you'll see animator bubble that will design scene image and layout like this. And then editor bubble that will talk about the font like title styles, subtitle styles, scene effects, scene transitions, voiceover, and even it talk about avatar. And then next editor will compile everything, and finally the director returns with your finished video like this. And on this director bubble, you will also get a summary of your video, and even you get suggested hashtags and storyboard, thumbnails, and of course the video files. Okay, let's play the video.
Magnets are objects that produce a magnetic field, which is a region of space where magnetic forces are exerted. These forces can attract or repel certain materials, most notably iron, nickel, cobalt, and some alloys. Magnets operate through an alignment of magnetic domain.
Like this. It looks incredible, right? The video has a good image and even it has an avatar that explains your video. Next, if you want to download the video, just tap on this download button and you can also download the thumbnail or even storyboard. And okay, that's it. You have just turned your text or your idea into a professional video in minutes with Mootion AI. It's free and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!